Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS1645. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your MSI MS1645 are not responding, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to wear and tear or accumulated dust and debris beneath the keys. If left unattended, it may hinder your productivity and lead to further complications with your device. To carry out this repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement keyboard for the MSI MS1645. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Lay it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Carefully use the plastic prying tool to remove the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way along the edges. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back is off, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually situated near the top edge of the motherboard. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the locking tab and pulling the connector out. Now, remove any screws holding the keyboard in place. These are often small and require a Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to strip the screws, apply gentle pressure when turning. Lift the keyboard away from the chassis. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed, and look for any additional clips that may need releasing. Once the old keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and align it properly in the slot. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it into the connector and pressing down the locking tab. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the keyboard in place. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to test the keyboard. Power on your MSI MS1645 and check if all keys are functioning properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed the keyboard is working, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips snap into place. Press down evenly around the edges to secure it fully. To avoid this issue in the future, it's advisable to keep your keyboard clean by using compressed air to blow out dust and debris regularly. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and crumbs. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.